Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I'm so pumped for this cup.
This cup is so big and chunky. I just love it. The top comes off easily. I just put a lot of ice in to start, and then I just fill it right on up with water. This cup is so big and so deep that you can put almost a whole tray of ice cubes in and then add your water, and it will be still needing to be filled a little bit more. As you can see, here's the never-ending flow of water, and by the time it gets to the top, it still has room for some more water. This is every water drinker's dream, or if you're trying to be a water drinker, it will definitely help. I love that it is not leak proof if you turn it on its side. I would not turn it upside down, but on the side it does not leak at all. I really love the straw with the silicone top. It fits really well around your lips and it's very, very comfortable. Yum, so good.
So the reason I really got this cup was to make sure that I was increasing my water intake, but I wanted it to look really nice and pretty too, so I felt good about drinking water. And this has actually helped me a lot. The quality is really good. It keeps your drinks cold. I just really love it. I love the straw. I just love this whole cup, the ombre look. It's just really everything that I would want in a cup, and it can also hold other things besides water, but I use it specifically for water. I know that if I at least drink one cup or maybe even two, that I'm on the right path. So helps me keep track of that, and that's my point of view.